Well guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since my last videos. If you haven't seen the latest videos, I'll leave a link right up here. It is the build series to my 2020 Evo following. And this is a first ride and impressions on this. Now this is the V1 frame style. I know that for 2021 they released a new one, updated geometry, and internal cable routing. So pretty cool stuff. All right, up for the climb round 2. This section is a bunch of, rocky square edge climbing stuff. So having a stable back end is really important here. I don't know if my skill level is able to clear everything, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so build kit on the bike. Totally custom, brought over a lot of pieces from my YT. Reynolds TR305 carbon rims, Maxxis Minion DHR DHF up front. We've got a 140mm Rockshox Pike Ultimate. It's at a 42-degree offset, I believe. So different offset than what comes factory. Cockpit is Nuke-Proof Horizon 35mm stem to Nuke-Proof M9 carbon bars, 810 width, so uncut. Rev grips, and then SRAM Kodar brakes. I've got the SRAM AXS X01 shifter and derailleur, PNW loam lever, Fox transfer 175mm seat post, SDG saddle, GX chain and cassette, and then of course Rockshox Super Deluxe rear shock. So one thing that I noticed about the Evo offering is it just is a good all-around bike. I've had 160mm travel bikes, 150, 160, and I don't miss them. It climbs really well. It's got a little bob in the pedal, but not much, like enough to keep traction, so I like it. When you stand up, the bike hugs the ground. I mean, overall climbing is actually enjoyable on this thing, which I can't say for some other bikes, so that's nice. But let's get to the top and we'll head on down. Different trail here, a little bit more square-edged hits, a little bit rockier in my opinion. Jumps really nicely, very confident on the takeoffs. It's that Delta Link, it helps you just pop like crazy. It's awesome. Ooh, felt that one. Yeah, it does well. Composed for a 140, 140. This section gets square. It's a little hairy right there. Yeah, just super composed, really fun. By the way, I'm 5'11", riding a medium, and 810mm wide bars. Feels fine to me. Well, hopefully the video quality comes through on this, but overall first impressions, I'd say 9 out of 10. The 1 point comes from the climbing. I would say my Yeti SB55 that I owned climbed just a hair better. But overall, this thing descends so much nicer. It's just kind of a perfect middle ground bike. If you're looking for something that can do it all and do it all comfortably, this is it. Like, this is the moneymaker right here. Evil Offering, I can only imagine the 2021's that much better. So anyway guys, thanks for riding with me today. We'll try to get some content out over the winter. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last day that I can ride. I'm supposed to get a snowstorm in, so you know, hopefully the footage is decent. But anyways, drop a comment, share the video, hit the like button, and if you enjoyed today's video, hit that subscribe button. It's been awesome over this past year to see how the channel has grown. So I just appreciate it from all you guys that have subscribed to my channel. So anyways guys, stay safe and ride happy. You.